Hello everybody, in today's video I'm just searching up on Google how to be popular in school. I'm gonna be looking at a bunch of advice from the internet and reviewing whether it works or not and how you can apply it to your daily life. The first point it says is be yourself. The more confident you are, the more people will be drawn to you. Well, I do think the first sentence kind of negates what is being said afterwards. What if you're a shy butterfly and you like remaining in your shell? If you want to be popular, you're gonna go against what you are in the current moment, and you're gonna have to pursue what better communication skills look like. You're gonna have to work on your confidence, which basically means not being your current self, but working on yourself and becoming a better version of yourself. So that's what I would say the point number one should have been: be a better version of yourself. This is right, but it could have been said better. Now the second one, stand up for your beliefs. Never compromise your values in exchange for popularity. Now this is solid life advice. Now if you're searching how to be popular in school on Google or YouTube, chances are you are a bit insecure in yourself and you're not satisfied with the kind of attention you're already getting, which might be okay and you actually might need improvement, but that might also mean you're in an environment where people just promote immorality, or people are just drawn towards people who are mean or rude. And if that's what it takes to become popular, forget about it, because that's the kind of stuff in the long run it is not gonna satisfy you. So stand up for your beliefs and be confident in who you are and what your moral grounds are. Be kind to everyone, including people outside your group. Now, I would say that's a solid 9 out of 10 point, because if you're kind to everyone and people generally like your presence, obviously you are on the ladder, you are on the way of becoming popular in school. Now, if you want me to go in detail and review more of such points and give you more solid life advice, consider liking, subscribing, and let me know in the comments down below if I need to review more and guide more. Goodbye.